Are the parties present?
No, my lord.
Okay. Appearance, please. Appearance? Appearance, cancel, please.
Yeah. Go and set it up.
Appearance?
My name is Atilola. And with me is my learned friend, Mr. Michael Obasikene.
Michael, the surname, please.
Michael.
The surname?
Obasike. The surname is Obasikene.
Okay.
Our humble appearance, my noble lord, is for the defendant.
Okay. Any appearance for the claimant?
Well, the claimant was here earlier.
Well, is the claimant present?
I don't know.
Claimant, are you there? Claimant is Mr. Swala Melvin Isokrari. Okay. Yes, can we get on with the business?
Thank you, my noble lord. The matter is adjourned till today for adoption of final written address. But before I proceed to do that, my noble lord, I have a motion to regularize the said final written address of the defendant. So the motion is dated 24th day of June. Day of June 2022. Filed on the 4th July. But filed on the 4th July 2022. With all your lordship to grant the order as prayed.
Oh, that's great. Time is extended.
as a
The
couple.
defendant's final address is deemed to be properly filed and served.
As the couple. My noble lord, the defendant file is final written address.
Well, if I may just come in there, I don't know. I do not have the claimant's final address. I don't know whether you were served with the claimant's final address.
He didn't file any, my lord. Actually, I think I should let my lord know. But I'm sorry, I'm having some echo on this.
I can hear you anyway. I can hear you.
Okay, let me, my lord, a minute. Let me see if I can change my device, because this echo. I'm sorry, my lord. I think it should be better here. Can my noble lord hear me, please?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh,
I can hear
my
you.
lord. When while waiting for your lordship, the claimant counsel actually called me, and I asked him whether, and he now said he actually has his kid to.
The line is breaking. I cannot hear you, Mr. Tilola. I cannot hear you, Mr. Tilola.
Later, he said he has his son or child to pick in the school, that he will not be able to wait. That was 2 p.m. And I explained to him that, look, we just have 30 minutes left to wait, that we all have things to do, that we should exercise patience. Apparently, he could not wait. And when I asked him about his final address, he said he has not filed. So the reason for that, I don't know.
Now, since your final address has just been regularized today, can we go ahead and adopt? Because he could argue that the final address, defendant's final address was not regular.
Well, my noble lord, I'm sure that is what he had in mind.
Yes.
But the practice I'm used to, and I say this with all sense of modesty and responsibility, is that, which is the standard practice, even if a defendant served processes out of time, he was served since July. It is not the law that he should wait until it is regularized that he should file his. The practice that I know is that you should go ahead and file yours today. Both parties will regularize their respective processes and move on. However, I've taken the hint of my noble lord. It is very unfortunate, but I know that was what he had in mind, that after all, I've just moved my motion to regularize a process that has been served on him since July, my noble lord. And he is the claimant here. So, my lord, I leave this to the discretion of my noble lord. I leave this to the discretion of my noble lord.
I think because of the regularization of this process today, I think it would be better for the adoption to be adjourned so that claimant's counsel doesn't have any excuse. He will not be able to say he was denied his fair hearing. The defense, all of those unnecessary issues. So I think
as the complices.
We'll just give him some more time and see if at the next adjourned date he has not filed his final address. We'll go ahead and adopt. But I think it is safer not to give any excuse to anybody as much as possible to go ahead and begin to challenge orders or judgments on grounds of fair hearing. I was denied my rights
as the complice
and all of that.
As the complices.
I will give an adjournment. Yes.
As the complices. As the complices.
Yes, I'll give you a date.
My noble Lord,
yes.
I don't know whether we can come on 18th of November.
Let me see. 18th of November.
I'm equally before the panel of NIC on the 17th. But my fear is that except when we agree on maybe.
Is it okay? The other council is in Abuja.
There's a panel, court one, sitting on 17th of November. So,
yes.
So if that panel sits in the morning, I don't know whether we can do. I can come in the afternoon, or better still, I can come the following day, being Friday, being 18th. But I can come on the 17th by 12 noon.
Yes.
Because, like I said, before a panel of the court in Abuja on the 17th, which I believe we sit in the morning.
Okay, let's look at from today the claimant's counsel. Of course, he has already been served. He has already been served with
yes, my Lord, he's been served long ago.
He has been served long ago with the final address. Yes. And he will say his time begins to count from today. Registrar, 21 days from today is what? 21 days from today. We give him his 21 days. So he has no excuse. Sorry, 15th of November. Okay, that's 21 days from today. Okay. So 17th.
So, my noble, I'm wondering whether we can do 18. And the reason is this. If for any reason it doesn't serve me on time, I will need to do reply on point of law.
And you have 7 days to reply on point of law.
Yes, yes. Okay. So I don't know. In the alternative, we can do 21, but virtual hearing, my noble Lord, with due respect.
Registrar, how many matters are there on November 21? It will be in the afternoon, virtual.
Virtual, my Lord.
Sorry? Okay, all right. So November 21. November 21 at, let's see now, at 1 p.m.
As the complices, virtual, my Lord.
And out from the registrar, they are all Monday, they are all mentioned matters so that we don't keep counsel waiting.
Yes, we have adoption.
We have?
Yes, we have adoption.
Let's make it 1:30 p.m.
1:30 p.m.
1:30 p.m. on November 21.
Thank you, my noble Lord.
I'll just record that.
Thank you, my noble Lord. I'm very grateful.
The claimant is yet to find a final address. As the claimant's final address has just been regularized, the claimant's time begins to run from now. The case is adjourned to November 21, 2022 for adoption of final address. Hearing notice is to be issued and served on the claimant's counsel. The adoption of final address will be virtual and it will be at 1:30 p.m. All other
As the
details
court
will be
pleases.
communicated to counsel.
As the court pleases. I'm very grateful, my noble Lord.
All right. Okay.
I'm very grateful.